वेलकम बैक व्यूवर्स। आप देख रहे हैं चैनल लिटरेचर लवर और मैं हूं आपके साथ इंतज़ार हुसैन मथरुमा। आज आप देखेंगे 6 एलिमेंट्स ऑफ ट्रेजिडी। ट्रेजिडी के 6 कौन कौन से एलिमेंट्स हैं। फर्स्ट वन, प्लॉट, करैक्टर, डिक्शन, थॉट, स्पेक्टिकल, सॉन्ग। दीज आर द 6 एलिमेंट्स ऑफ आर ट्रेजिडी अकॉर्डिंग टू Aristotle. These will be described from least important to most important. The last 4 elements, thought, diction, melody, and spectacle, are the least important. But Aristotle felt they must be done well for the play to succeed. First one is thought. Thought is the power of saying whatever can be said and should be said at each moment of the plot. Do the lines spoken by the actors make sense? Are they saying what should be said at each particular moment in the play? Next one is diction. Diction is actual composition of the lines that are recited. Thought deals with what is said and diction deals with how it is said. So here is the very difference in easy words. Thought deals with what is said and diction deals with how it is said. There are many ways to say something. A good playwright composes lines that say something extremely well. In a good play, some lines are so well constructed that the audience can leave the play quoting the lines exactly. Now we are talking about melody and spectacle. These are accessories. The Greeks sometimes used musical accompaniment. Aristotle said the music, yani melody, has to blend in with the play appropriately. Spectacle refers to the staging of the play. Again, as with melody, the spectacle should be appropriate to the theme of the play. Next one is character. Character is the second most important element of tragedy. Each character has an essential quality or nature that is revealed in the plot. The moral purpose of each character must be clear to the audience. The characters should have 4 main qualities. First one, no matter who they are, hero or slave, the characters must be good in some way but not perfect. Wicked characters may be introduced if required by the plot. Second characteristic, the characters should act appropriately for their gender and station in life. They must have the trait of the profession or class to which they belong. Number third, the characters have to have believable personalities means they must have likeness. By likeness, he means that the characters must be lifelike. Number 4. The characters must act consistently throughout the play. In other words, nothing should be done or said that could be seen as acting out of characters. Next, I am going to discuss about Aristotle's concept of pity and fear. Pity is occasioned by undeserved misfortunes and fear by that of one like ourselves. You may read these lines to make their sense. Aristotle's concept of catharsis is also there. If you want to read it, you may read it. Plot. Plot is the most important of 6 elements, that is the action of the play. Hence, the plot is the imitation of the action. For by plot, I here mean the arrangement of the incidents. Basically, plot is the arrangement of the incidents. There must be unity of plot. This means one complete action. Any events or episodes must be necessary to the main issue and must also be probable or believable. Hence, the incidents and the plot are the end of tragedy, and the end is the chief thing of all. Writes Aristotle, the plot then is the first principle, and as if it were the soul of a tragedy. It means that plot is the soul of the tragedy. Character holds the second, thus, tragedy is the imitation of an action and of the agents mainly with the view of the action, which has a beginning, a middle, and an end. A beginning is that which does not itself follow anything by casual necessity, but after which something naturally is or comes to be. An end. An end, on the contrary, is that which itself naturally follows some other things, either by necessity or as a rule, but has nothing following it. A middle is that which follows something as some other things follows it. A well constructed plot therefore must neither begin nor end at first, but conform to those principles. That's all.